What? Hurry up, David.
Y'all see it now?
I'm looking, but I don't care.
You're so cool. Oh my god, shut the up, bro. Hard.
Huh?
Ayo.
Jeez, shut up. You're not funny after you sold me all those matches, bro. I'm beating your ass one way.
Stupid ass up, bro. You sold half of them too, bro. I wanna hear
It's
it.
an intro, be quiet.
Show me your face, little boy. Oh, that's making that right. Okay, buddy. Let me see you. It doesn't make sense. Like, black people be like,
Wow.
What are you on a couch?
Y'all hear that?
Yeah, I hear footsteps.
Yeah, it's following you being a dumbass, bro.
You thought you were funny saying that?
Use your mouse.
I gotta drag my middle mouse button.
Oh, now he's lagging.
My
Oh,
middle.
now he's lagging.
Sure. You sure I'm lagging? Sure, am I lagging?
Do y'all hear him lagging or is it just me, bro? Martin?
Now, why would you go closer?
You have to. Ah! Oh, where is my friend Martin? This. Hell no! I don't want going. You know what? Hold on.
Ain't no way. He already doing the bro.
Dude, get your ass in there, bro.
Hey!
David, our voices overhear the music. You're good. You're good. Oh, hell no.
Wait, how does it work? Wait, what?
You hold
Hold
on.
it. Use your mouse to move it. Like
Slowly, little boy, slowly. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
What is slow?
Nice and slow.
This shit dumb ass up. Can you not do any faster?
No, I'm not doing it faster. Is that good enough?
No!
You b-
I'm in my basement watching this, bro. I swear.
And I'm in my haunted ass room, bro. Shut up.
Shit, this basement is haunted. It's so
I'm
bro. I've
not
been hearing some
going in
noises.
there!
Go in there. Get your
I
ass
told
in
that,
there
bro.
right
The game
now.
just saved, bro. They was about to be chased by something, bro.
I'm not watching this!
I heard something.
Steven, keep moving. It's just a T-man.
Oh my god.
What is that? Oh. No, different jump scare. I can sense it. I can sense the jump scare. I am looking. I'm not looking!
Wow, don't be jump scared.
Ooh. I am looking!
David, there's nothing scary in this early phase of the game.
No, yes there is.
Isn't that Clementine's hat, guys? Walking. Alright, let's lock in, bro.
But I thought that was Dipper's hat.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Stop! Look behind you!
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck!
Oh!
Emo girl, bro.
I'm gonna punch my monitor, bro. Y'all think you're sick, but I heard y'all scream too. Y'all ain't sick, bro.
Shit, why did you scream?
Why did you scream, little boy?
I beat him at dude's ass, bro. He thought he was funny, bro. I hope he gets killed for
That's
that.
freaking short type of comedy, bro. Whoa, what's
Oh
happening?
nah, she's one of those girls, bro.
What's happening?
A panic attack.
Hey, you happy now, huh?
Go inside there.
3 hours just to play rank in Brawl Stars, bro.
It was gonna flip out of me, bro. What the heck?
That goes over, she's that big, bro.
No, I thought it was a... Oh.
I jumped that.
No.
Baby, behind you, a monster.
Mama, a girl behind. What?
What? Ah!
What?
You gotta give him that hot twice. Come on, that thing.
Hey, when I say hawk, you say twa. Hawk!
Bro.
Thank you, Mike, thank you.
So when I do it, whatever.
So you always say with enough enthusiasm though. That's the thing.
I bet. One more time, bro. One more time.
When I say hawk, you say twa. Hawk.
Twa.
Hawk.
Leave.
Twa.
Hawk.
Twa.
When I say eagle, you say 12.
Why is it
I'm so excited to be a father. Even though there's monsters in the world now, I'm sure that I can protect both my child and lover. I'll do whatever I can to ensure that we all will live a happy life together.
You can just do a skip tutorial and you get 2K for free.
Buddy.
That's a. Short, where's your mic?
I was saying.
Buddy. It's not me.
Hell,
Holy
so it
shit.
definitely is you.
I know what she was trying to say too. She said, "Buddy, it's not me, it's you."
Tree,
That's-
you're just
that's
from outside of my house right now. How the f are you having worse worse than me?
Oh, sorry.
So bad, David. You're moving every 3 seconds, bro.
Short,
It's not us, it's you.
not us, it's you.
It's you. It's you.
There's no way, bro. What?
It's
You got no
you.
storm, no nothing.
Your mic is ass right now, so it's obviously you.
Tree,
think-
why's your mic so bad?
I think the demon in my room is trying to haunt my Wi-Fi, bro. Save me. Stop this.
Wait till me save you.
You guys are out there listening. Oh. I can't even hear you guys talk. Hello?
Watch
Oh
there be
my god,
someone
I'm
in the
talking to
room,
myself, bro. The demon really is after me. Tonight's the night, bro. Oh my god.
Tree, I just got reminded. There was this black little kid I knew in my second
Where'd
grade,
your
right?
stream go?
Okay, bro. F you.
I want to know why you just shouted at me down the microphone.
What did I fucking shout you down the mic for? Playing your fucking mouth, mate. Stop wrong, man.
Oh no.
That was too much noise, bro. It says hit 2, bro.
What does
Fuck
right?
two.
What does right even
Fuck
mean,
two, bro.
What is it?
You gotta hit hook 2 to get your inhaler.
Tree, can you shut up? You're not funny. Gosh, bro.
When I say hot, you say 12. Huh? 12.
Huh?
Huh?
Tree,
When
I'm
you say
trying to get
you,
scared,
I
bro,
say
so I can
You
scream.
shut the up, Mango.
You have been
The
saying
only
hook
thing
two,
you gotta be
hook
scared
two.
about is your forehead, bro.
Yeah, your face, bro. It's ugly as hell, bro. We
Yeah,
get it,
your
bro.
neck, bro. So dark as hell, bro. Night sky,
Have you
bro.
not seen yourself?
Like,
Your pussy black.
what
Okay,
was
never
that?
mind.
What was that? Your neck is a black hole, bro. We're about to go inside it and see what's going on, bro.
Your pussy's a black hole. All the dick is be taking every single day. Shut the up, bro. It's like cum storage in there, bro. You can get pregnant anytime you want, bro.
I'm done.
Your pussy is a black hole.
Mango, please don't. Mango, please don't make me laugh, bro. Please.
David,
Killed you.
Sure.
What?
Your black hole a pussy?
What? Why are you laughing at that, bro?
Buddy, Mango, your booty hole the same exact thing, bro. Except it takes more dick. I don't wanna
Your mouth is the exact same thing too, bro. Yapping every single day, bro.
That
my
black
God.
hole feels like a way that smell.
Why Michael laughing at black hole like he don't have one too, bro?
And his buddy.
It's between
I'm
your boobs, not
kidding.
me. When they go talking, your mouth's the black hole. A lot of food you eat, you consume. No wonder why you have an infinity.
You just
Michael,
called
your
him
mouth a
my
black hole if you talk about food, bro. What?
You don't want to talk to your words now.
My fault, my fault.
Should I scream then? Should I?
He's cooked, bro. He's about to die.
Hey.
Okay, bet Mango, let's talk, bro.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my god. It looks just like David, bro. Are you supposed to stand still, David?